hats off to JGI for not only developing the genome sequence to begin with, but staying with it and constantly improving the resource. My name is Gary Stacey. I'm a professor at the University of Missouri and the Division of Plant Sciences and Biochemistry. And I was in the group that worked originally with JGI to sequence the soybean genome. In my role, I often go out and talk to farm groups and things like that. And very often you'll get this kind of pushback. Why should taxpayer money be used to do basic research, discovery research, and shouldn't be applied more directly to really solving, everyday problems like increasing yield of crops and so on and so forth. And the reason why we don't make more rapid advancements in the applied area is because very often we lack the basic understanding. So we have a lot of tools to engineer things, especially now in crops, but we don't know what to engineer because we lack the basic information.
You have to imagine what soybean rust means for growers. If you don't have a good integrated disease approach, you can lose 80 to 90% of your harvest. I'm Peter Vanessa. I'm a group leader at the Sainsbury laboratory and a vice president at Duplessis. I work on soybean rust, Phacospora pecoriaceae, which is a devastating disease, and I develop new disease-resistant traits against soybean rust. If you look at a parasite like soybean rust, there's always an intimate interplay between the rust and its host, in this case, soybean. And you really need to understand that interaction if you start looking for solutions. So having the genome of both soybean and the pathogen is really needed to start understanding what is going on and how the soybean plant becomes infected by this rust pathogen in the first place.
This is the essence of science. I mean, my different projects on rust fungi, they brought me where I never thought I would go. My name is Sebastian Duplessis. I am a researcher at INRAE, the French Research Institute for Agriculture, Food and the Environment. And I've been a long-term collaborator of the JGI since 2004. We work on different kind of genome projects. And recently I work with the JGI on sequencing Phacospora pecoriaceae, which is a major soybean pathogen. So the major issue we have nowadays with this particular rust disease is the cost of pesticides, which are applied to fight the fungus. So we need to better understand the biology of the fungus and what are the genes that are underlying the infection, so we can select soybean which present improved immunity to fight the rust disease. And just by doing so, we could reduce the use of pesticide, which is a benefit for the environment. And at the same time, we can improve the yields in plantation.